How to reset Snapchat password. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, I'll show you how you can reset your Snapchat password using your email address. So if you're logged out and you don't remember your password, here's what to do. First, go ahead and launch your Snapchat application. You will come to the login page. Click on Forgot Your Password, that is highlighted in blue color in this page. You will get two different options of via phone and via email. Go ahead and tap on email. Now this will ask you to confirm your email address that is associated with your account. So go ahead and enter or type your email address. Now tap on send confirmation code that is highlighted in blue color as well. This will take you to the account recovery page. You need to again enter your email address that is associated with your account in order to reset the password, and you will be able to change it. Snapchat will send you an email with the link to reset your password. Simply go ahead and open the email, and inside you will find a link. Click on that link and it will open another new window where you can enter your new password. And that's it. Your password will be changed. So click on continue and you can go back to Snapchat and log in with your new password. So I hope you found this video informative. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again in the next one.